Wow, this dining room looks so grand and it smells completely amazing.
Please keep the orders moving. Table 12 is waiting for their food. Yes, chef.
Here is our famous signature truffle risotto dish for you, guests.
Oh, looks nice, but this food is a little bit too salty.
Excuse me? Did you just say there is a mistake in my dish?
A child can judge taste. Today, your famous rice is too salty.
She is right, Marcel. Tonight, this is not your best professional work.
Arthur, what does the word signature mean when we talk about food?
A signature dish is a restaurant's top specialty. It shows their unique style.
Ah, a signature dish is like a chef's special food fingerprint.
This weekend, the two of you will cook a big match here.
3 rounds, 1 winner. The prize is a front-page feature article.
Wait. I cannot do that, sir. I am not a professional chef.
Mom, do it! I want to see your pretty picture in a magazine.
Accept the duel, lady, or run back to your small home kitchen.
I accept. Will the voting be fair? Yes? Then I will do this contest.
Put this toy rat on your hat, Mom. It gives brave powers. Put it on my hat? What a great idea!
I look completely ridiculous, but I feel like a secret chef.
Mom, what is the main chemical difference between boiling and braising meat?
Boiling uses a lot of rapid hot water. Braising cooks meat slowly with a small amount of liquid in a closed pot. It makes tough meat very soft and tender.
Welcome to the grand food battle. Round 1 begins right now.
Watch my perfect knife skills, crowd. My hands are fast like fire.
Round 1 goes to Chef Marcel. His technical skill is absolutely grand.
He is incredibly fast, Anna. I cannot compete with his high speed.
Breathe deep, Mom. Round 2 is next. Cook your special butter chicken.
The spices are aromatic, and the fresh cream is perfectly rich today.
This flavor is warm, rich, and full of deep Indian heritage spice.
Round 2 goes to Emma.
Yes!
The score is tied up perfectly now.
This is impossible. She is cheating with that strange toy rat hat.
This is not a cheating tool. This is just a gift of love.
Final round. Cook the single dish that best shows who you are.
I will remake my famous truffle risotto. And I will win easily.
Mom, I don't want fancy rice. I want your homemade pork stew.
I am going to cook our family braised pork stew today, Anna. These vegetables are called aromatics, Anna. They release natural sugars and oils that create a deep, savory foundation flavor for the sauce broth.
Ah, Aromatics are like the magic flavor building blocks of a kitchen.
Careful, Marcel. Not too much salt this time. Keep it very mild.
Time is up. Let the food speak to our city magazine now.
The texture is good, but it is too light. You were trying too hard.
Oh, wow. The meat is incredibly tender, and the sauce feels honest. This food makes people feel safe. It smells exactly like a warm home.
The winner of the front page feature article is Chef Emma.
Mom won! You did it! You are the best cook in world!
This is real. It is not trying to impress anyone. Congratulations, Emma.
Good food is not about skill alone. It is about care and love.
Our family recipe will be on the front page of every store tomorrow.
Simple, homemade dishes always speak the most to human hearts, my friends.
I could not have won this big battle without my family team.
A famous chef lost to my mother's homemade food because love is the secret signature ingredient that wins every time.
Oh my. My face looks so big under that glossy title text.
The letters are bright gold. You look like a real movie star, Mom.
Yes, ma'am, but I just used my grandmother's old stew recipe.
I am going to buy these and cook your stew for my family tonight.
Our family recipe is going to travel all over the big city world.
Let us go home and prepare a fresh celebration lunch today, Anna. Mom, what is the best English adjective to describe a delicious smell?
We use the word aromatic or mouth-watering. It means the scent makes your mouth create saliva because you want to eat fast. Today, I am going to teach you how to make chicken teriyaki.
This sauce looks very dark, Mom. What is inside this mixture bowl?
It is soy sauce, sweet honey, and ginger. The sugar turns shiny when heated.
Wow! The chicken looks soft, juicy, and perfectly glossy under the steam. Mmm. This flavor is the perfect balance of sweet and salty elements.
Teriyaki is always best when eaten with clean, hot, white rice, Anna. Oh, Chef Marcel. What a surprise to see you at my house.
I brought a small gift box for my favorite cooking rival today.
Oh, Marcel, you didn't have to.
This professional knife is for your new kitchen adventures, Chef Emma.
Oh, Marcel, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Marcel. This is the most beautiful tool in my house.
We use egg yolks and grated cheese to create the creamy sauce texture.
Look, Chef Marcel. The egg sauce is perfectly smooth and velvety, no scrambles.
Incredible. This texture is creamy and warm without using any commercial cream.
You are becoming a very skilled and watchful kitchen captain, Anna.
Understanding heat control is the most important science secret in cooking, Marcel.
I am learning a lot of great home secrets in this kitchen today.
Look through the window, Mom. Arthur Bennett's car is on the driveway.
Hello, champion family. I brought a special gift for your living wall.
This frame will remind me to always cook with my whole heart.
Your honest words started a very grand food story in our city, Anna.
Arthur, what is the best way to write a good food review article?
Do you use words like good or bad to describe a meal flavor?
I do.
Correct. Sensory language helps the reader taste the food inside their mind. It describes texture, warmth, and memory.
Sensory language paints a real flavor painting inside the reader's brain. Awesome!
Time for a sweet milk drink break for our smart writing team.
The outside air is warm, and the little red flowers are blooming, Mom.
I am going to cut some fresh green rosemary leaves for dinner.
This rosemary herb is very aromatic. It smells like a fresh pine forest. Our kitchen is the most famous and happiest place in the neighborhood today.
A simple soup is the best food to keep our family healthy, Anna.
I love our kitchen lessons, Mom. Cooking is like a beautiful science game.
It is, darling, and you're getting so good at it. You are my best helper, Captain, and my biggest inspiration in this world.
The moon is big and silver. It is reflecting the sun's light.
The house is completely silent, and our home is full of safe peace.